More breaking update coming in Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari has sought legal opinion on the Maha Vikas Aghadi government's request to conduct the Assembly Speaker's election through a voice vote instead of secret ballot. This once again in a way exposes the fault lines which have emerged between the Maharashtra governor and the Aghadi government, clearly showing that both of them are not on the same page on this matter. So this is the latest in this is that Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari has sought legal opinion on the Maha Vikas Aghadi's government's request to conduct Assembly Speaker's election through voice vote instead of a secret ballot. In the past as well, we've seen several instances where the Maharashtra governor and the Aghadi government have not in fact been on the same page. There have been several times when there was war of words between them on several issues, several key issues. This is yet another episode in that same series where we can in fact now see that on the speaker election matter, both sides are not on the same page, are not agreeing. The Maharashtra governor, in fact, has sought legal opinion on this now after Aghadi government said that they are going to request that they want to conduct the Assembly Speaker's election through voice vote instead of a secret ballot. So just to take our viewers through this breaking update that we are bringing for them once again, that the Maharashtra governor there is not in sync with the Aghadi government on this very important issue of Speaker's election. I'm joined by Mandar Fanse, Associate Editor of Mirror now. Mandar, what we can see is that this is not just in isolation. We've seen in the past as well on several important matters, the Maharashtra governor and the Aghadi government have not been on the same page. If you can just bring this entire thing into context for our viewers.
Well, Tanima, this is yet another instance when the governor and the state government is not going in sync, especially when it comes to various previous instances. The same thing has been observed when it comes to even the list which was given by the state government over the MLC selections. 12 MLCs are to be selected from the governor's side and ratified by the governor. That list is also delayed for a long time. After that, when the assembly right now is ongoing, the assembly session is ongoing, almost since last 10-11 months, the speaker post is vacant. There is a temporary speaker who is running the whole show, and that's why the assembly wants to elect their own speaker now with a proper procedure. Therefore, the assembly has already passed an amendment to go for a voice vote. And looking at all these situations, governor has told them yesterday only to the delegation of the MVA government, especially all the senior leaders from Shiv Sena, NCP and Congress, especially Bhagat from Congress, Chhagan Bhujbal from NCP and Eknath Shinde from Shiv Sena. All three leaders have given sought the permission about the election of the speaker. But as of now, Governor of Maharashtra, Mr. Bhagat Singh Koshyari, he seems to be seeking some advice, legal advice for giving a nod to this particular poll. I have spoken to senior leaders, including Nawab Malik, the cabinet minister, and other senior leaders. They are saying that this is absolutely a just and legal thing which they have done when it comes to the amendment of this particular poll in the assembly, and they have followed the norm which is being followed for the election of the speaker at the parliament. That is the voice vote format. So this is the situation as of now. The kind of flashpoint between the state government and governor still continues.
Right, Mandar Fanse there with the understanding and the comprehensive understanding of what this war of words or what this difference of opinion that we can see, which has cropped up once again between Maharashtra governor and the Aghadi government, this time over the election of the speaker through a voice vote on that matter. Mandar, thank you so much for joining us on that.